Alright, here we are at Gettysburg Campground. Here's our setup. For the dogs and the stove.
Dad, I just sip at the edge.
You what?
I just sip at the edge.
I guess. Just a sip. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
No, I said a sip at the edge.
That was a sip.
Sure. The lazy man's way of starting a fire. And there's my crew relaxing, enjoying the fire.
I'm tired.
Same with Tyler, he's exhausted, he just came back from camping.
And now he has to work back out.
Yep. The most important thing when camping. It slept pretty good, so can't complain about that. Good. So you having fun, Belle?
I'm getting wet.
And watch this. Ain't that great?
No.
Yes, it is.
No, it is not. Stop.
Uh-huh. Looking good, Hunter.
Where's the water?
Oh no, I'm gonna sit beside you, can I?
Sure.
Oh, wait. Guys, stop.
Look at the artist at work. So dramatic. The Van Gogh.
No!
What? Oh, you gotta do the thing where you, with the pumpkin?
Here, all of those. What?
Where you were hiding the pumpkin?
You can't hide this. It's see-through.
Ah. What's that?
Like the shuffleboard. Concentration.
We have a moment of dryness, but she is getting wet from the trees. So she is a prepared camper. Are you okay?
Yeah, one of those stupid sparks flew off and into my foot.
Wow. Well, kiss and make it better.
No.
Not that flexible, huh? All right, say bye.
Alright.
Oh.
Because they want.
Alright, this morning that we're leaving, and the hunter started a campfire. You did good. Alright, you gotta keep it going? Good.